to my channel. Like you've seen from the caption and the thumbnail, we are making this beautiful body butter. It is a mango body shimmer body butter. It's a lot of bees, but yeah guys, it's really easy. You don't even need a double boiler for this, so it's really nice and easy. You just need some mango butter, some essential oil. I got grapefruit. You can do whatever oil you want. I just did coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you want, but yeah, you need some measuring cups, some containers. I am making this recipe for 8 ounces. I did measure for 4 ounces at first, but I will just read over the measurements for 8 ounces. But yeah, you just need some gloves, a bowl. If you want food color, you can to make it like a different color, but I'm just gonna do pigment. I got these from TKB. You could probably get some off of Amazon. Just make sure they're cosmetic use or safe on skin. And then some piping bags. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need for this. And yeah, you don't even need a double boiler, which is nice. So I measured out 4 ounces, which is half a cup. But really, you're going to need a full cup if you have an 8 ounce container. And then right now, I'm just going to cut it up and put it into this bowl. Now that I got it in the bowl, I'm going to mash it up kind of like a paste. It's going to be it takes a little minute, probably like 5 minutes if that. But you're just going to keep mashing and mashing until it looks like a pasty material. Yes guys, I will put the measurements in for a 4 ounce container and for an 8 ounce container, because I did make the 4 ounce at first, but then at the end of this video I ended up making 8 ounces because I have an 8 ounce container. I didn't really understand the measurements at first because I kind of was just going off of like a few other recipes I seen plus my own little like knowledge. But yeah, I will just put all that in the description box, so if you need to know the exact measurements for whatever container you're using, I will do that. But yeah, this is how it should look, kind of pasty like that. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to add in your oils. Are done hand mixing this. You're going to hand mix this for a little bit just till it's mixed in really good. You are going to take it over to a mixer. You could just use a electric mixer. I use like the whipping like tool for it. But yeah, pretty much once you're done doing this, you just got to mix it in really well. You're going to take it to a mixer and mix it together. Once you start mixing it, you're going to add in the rest of the oil. And then once you add in the rest of the oil, you're going to mix it and beat it until it's like a kind of foamy material. But you guys see how I would recommend, if you have an 8 ounce container, to use the whole like sheet of mango butter it gives you. Like I said before, like I said 3 times, I will put all the correct measurements in the description box because I did change the amount as I went. And I did not film that part. But yes guys, you would do the same thing as I'm doing now. You would mix it just like so. You would mash it just like so. But yeah guys, this is what you're going to do. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until it looks like a good foamy material. Now, since you didn't have to double boil this, you can add in the essential oil whenever you want to. I recommend doing a good amount of drops. I mean, you don't need as much as if you were making this as shea butter, like with shea butter, but you still want a good amount so it smells good. But like with shea butter, you need a lot more drops of this because shea butter is such a strong smell. Mango butter, it don't smell like mango really. It might have a hint of it, but it really doesn't smell like anything. So whatever flavoring you put in it, it'll smell just fine. Now guys, that you're done with this, you literally can put it into whatever container you want as so. Otherwise, you can add in pigments. Like I'm going to add in these glitters. And I'm going to add in some like powder as well to make it more of like a bronzing type of body butter, which it's super pretty. Either way, it works. You can use it plain, whatever whatever you want, whatever your customer wants. Once you add in the pigments, you're just going to mix it like so. Make sure it's mixing well. And yeah, that's pretty much all you do for the pigments and how to mix it. Okay, this is the piping bag that I'm going to be using. Pretty much I got it from Michael's, I want to say, or Walmart. I think Walmart actually. I just put the little tip in that I had, and then I'm just going to place the body butter in the bottom of this bag, and then you're gonna roll it up at the top and just push everything down to the bottom, and then you can cut the bottom corner of this so then it can start to flow out of the bag. Okay guys, now that I have washed my container out with hot soapy water, I am ready to put in my body butter. You don't have to use a piping bag if you don't want. It kind of just makes it cute, or you can make it like a different way as well. And sorry about the camera, I kind of moving around. I had someone filming for me. I did not have my tripod with me. But yeah, pretty much you're just gonna put it in there like so, however you want to do it. You can use whatever tip you want, or you can just use a regular bag. You don't even need a piping bag. You can just use a sandwich bag and put it in there, or just take a spoon and scoop it in there, whatever you want, whatever you desire. But yeah guys, that's what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of glitter on it to make it look really cute, especially for pictures. But yeah guys, when you put it on, it does shimmer. It is super, super cute and super moisturizing. Like, a little bit goes such a long way. Please make sure you tell your customers that, because I'm telling you, if you go put a whole glob on, you're like, oh my god, like, I did not need all this. Like, savor it. It is very nice and it looks so cute. Definitely something you could sell with your line if you just want to do something easy. This is like the easiest body butter I've ever done. The other ones are a little more, I don't know, hard and complicated. But yeah guys, this is what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like on the skin. So shimmery, so cute, and so moisturizing. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a fat thumbs up if you did, and thanks for watching.